What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another reading. This reading is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, rising in the North Node. Welcome to my channel. Virgo. Let me see what I'm hearing from you. Something is not that dark. So this could be a pimple. If you have a pimple on your face, it's not that dark, or it's not going to get that dark. I'm getting something about acne. What's Virgo's, what's coming towards them? Sorry. What's coming towards the Virgo? Dial up. So someone's trying to call you. And you could leave this. You could have left this person on red, or could have blocked this person. This person, you could have been waiting for this person to call you, but I'm getting you got this person blocked, or this person have you blocked, and they don't know if why or who's blocked who, or something like that. This could be a lover or a friend. I'm getting this person is going to reach out to you randomly, or this person randomly reached out to you. I'm getting you were watching your phone waiting for this person to reach out to you after you blocked them, Virgo. You being weird. Stop what you're doing, Virgo. But we always know Virgos are weird. We already know. Okay, I'm also getting something about Christmas. So something took place around Christmas time and Christmas gifts. Somebody's like, I only got 2 gifts for Christmas. So someone's complaining. I'm hearing somebody say, you lucky you got 2 gifts for Christmas. Somebody's like, I only got a pair of shoes and I only got a karaoke machine or something like that. Somebody is really bitching about this. Like, somebody is really throwing a fit about this. Like, man, I'm mad about this. So somebody is in their feelings about Christmas. Also, I'm getting something about your cat don't listen, or a cat isn't listening. Or you could be telling your cat to listen. I'm getting just give him some catnip. Your cat needs catnip. Also, if your cat doesn't have a bed, you're going to be purchasing your cat a bed. I'm getting something about someone with a red suit or a blue suit is significant. Or this could be you. I'm also getting something about a blue scarf. You could have left something in your bag as well. I'm getting something is in your blue bag, or in the day. Check your blue bag the day you had on the red jacket or something like that. If your memory is lost. Yeah, I'm getting you're having a hard time remembering where you put something, or you're having a hard time recollecting something. I'm hearing something about a heartbeat to the beat of the drum. So somebody makes your heart skips a beat. Also, I'm getting something about a pacemaker is significant. Somebody could be on heart monitoring or on a pacemaker. I'm getting somebody needs to stop smoking ASAP. Someone's dying from some type of lung cancer, or some type of lung disease or heart disease or something like that. I'm getting somebody's on their last lung. This could be your mother or your sister. I'm getting too many cigarettes back to back. Somebody smokes back to back to back. I'm getting this could be your, I'm getting this person is very jealous as well. This person, maybe this person deserved to die because they're a very jealous person. Also, I'm getting something about a very jealous woman. A very jealous girl. This person is very childish or very immature. Also, I'm getting something about a man who dresses as a woman. You could be like, oh no, Miss Thang, don't make me burst your bubble, sweetie. So you could be bursting somebody's bubble. Also, I'm getting a performance. Someone is dancing and performing with with transparent shoes on with like what's the name of Cape Robin, clear Cape Robin shoes, or some type of clear shoes with the toes in. It's significant. This person could be coming towards you. I'm getting this is the jealous person. This person is very immature and very childish and very jealous. I'm getting this person, you want to beat this person ass, so this person wants to beat your ass secretly. Someone hates you, Virgo. Or this is the other way around. Why did this person hate the Virgo? I'm getting because you're a chill person. All you do is smoke weed, you grow, you build, you're full of growth. Someone doesn't like how you're growing. Someone cannot get past the jealousy of your growth. So I'm getting, you're just sitting here growing and someone is somewhere hating, being jealous of you growing. That's crazy to me. Someone keeps yelling at you as well. Someone keeps, I'm getting schizophrenia as well. So someone could feel like they're hearing voices, or someone could be telling the police that they hear voices or something like that. I'm getting something is on camera as well, Virgo. A Pisces is significant. A Virgo, of course, that's probably you. An Aquarius is significant. A Leo is significant. And I'm getting a whole bunch of air. Something is a broken record as well. Someone sounds like a broken record. I'm getting somebody told you or someone else told this person over and over and over and over and over and over again about stop smoking, stop smoking. This could go back to the smoking thing, Virgo, where you told this person you need to quit smoking, you need to quit smoking. Someone told this person over and over and over again, a Leo, and it sounds like a broken record, and this person would not stop smoking. So I'm getting this person is about to pass away from lung cancer or some type of heart disease, heart failure. That's what I'm saying, heart failure. I'm getting you told this person time and time again. This person thought it was a game. This person thought that, I'm getting they just couldn't fight their addiction. They was addicted to it, but they were all so jealous, so they could have used the cigarettes to cope with their jealousy as well. Somebody is talking a lot of shit behind your back as well. This person could have talked a lot of shit behind your back and said a lot of hurtful things about someone behind their back. And now it's time to meet karma. I guess sickness. Karma comes back. So somebody got somebody looking for their cell phone. Somebody's like, where's my cell phone? Where's my cell phone? Or somebody could have lost their cell phone. I'm getting dementia as well, early dementia. So someone is losing their mind, Virgo. I think that you need to check up on this person. It could be a Leo, an air sign, a Pisces, or something like that. Somebody is flipping their shit. Somebody can't remember. Someone lost their phone. Someone's smoking too much. Someone's jealous. It's just a lot going on in this reading. So, guys, stay tuned for the next reading. Thanks for tuning in. Have a nice day. Bye.